3 fat-burning drinks to keep you healthy. Hi. Are you looking for a way to burn fat without having to suffer? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 drinks that will help you lose weight fast and easy. Please press the subscription button so you get notified when we post a new video about health and fitness. There are many drinks that we drink because we enjoy them and they taste good, but did you know that some of these delicious drinks can help to burn fat and keep your body healthy? If you're ready to kickstart your metabolism and get rid of toxins in your body, then shake up one of these beverages to get the best results. I'm sure you'll be delighted to know that these drinks are easy to make, take very few ingredients and will not cost you much at all. 1. Cumin Cinnamon. Cumin cinnamon drink combines cumin powder with cinnamon for a wonderful taste sensation. Cumin is an ingredient in many Indian dishes because of its nutritional value and great flavor. Cumin has properties that help to boost the metabolism, which in turn will help you to burn your stored fat more effectively. Cumin also contains carminative oils that are responsible for eliminating gas from the gut, so this drink is perfect if you have some digestive issues or just want to improve your overall health. Cumin cinnamon ingredients: 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon water, no measurements required, add enough to make a paste-like consistency. Cumin has a strong flavor, so don't add too much cinnamon. If you're not used to cumin, then add less than the recipe suggests and increase over time until you get your desired taste. Cumin cinnamon benefits: cumin contains iron, which will help you to get rid of excess water in your body. Cumin has antiseptic properties. Cumin is good for the digestive system, it stimulates the liver and gallbladder. Cumin cinnamon drink is used as a weight loss aid. Cumin powder detoxifies the blood. Cumin cinnamon drink can reduce the symptoms of arthritis because cumin has anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Chia lemon drink. Chia seeds are becoming more and more popular these days, and there's good reason for it. Chia seeds are packed with nutrients and healthy fatty acids, so they're great to include in your diet if you want to burn fat more quickly. Chia is believed to aid weight loss because it absorbs water inside the stomach before passing through the digestive system. As well as helping you feel full, this also swells up as it passes through the system, which helps to prevent constipation. It's thought that chia seeds can reduce appetite by making you feel fuller for longer, so you eat less and your body doesn't absorb as many calories. Chia is also believed to lower blood sugar levels, which helps to regulate weight loss because the body takes its energy from blood sugar. Chia lemon ingredients: 2 tablespoon pure chia seeds, 1 lemon, juiced water, no measurements required, add enough to make a paste-like consistency. Chia lemon benefits: chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Chia is full of fiber as well as being satiating. Chia seeds can lower blood sugar and insulin levels and regulate appetite and reduce cravings, and used as a weight loss aid. 3. Lemon ginger. Lemon and ginger go incredibly well together, and the combination makes a wonderful tasting drink, while also having some impressive health benefits. Ginger is known to aid digestion, which will help you feel full for longer after eating so you don't crave fatty foods. Ginger is also believed to speed up the metabolism and improve circulation, which helps with weight loss because it helps the body burn calories faster. Lemon ginger ingredients: 2 tablespoon pure chia seeds, 1 lemon, 500 milliliters water. Lemon ginger benefits: ginger has been shown to reduce hunger, which can help people lose weight. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which both have immunity-boosting properties. Ginger also has immunity-boosting properties and can guard against some bacteria. Ginger is believed to reduce the risk of some cancers. Give these drinks a shot if you're looking for something that will give you an energy boost or put you into the perfect state of health. We hope you found these fat-burning drinks helpful.